I just used the last bit of sugar to make these rock candies. Well, we're in the middle of making them. But anyway, my point is I used the last of my 5-gallon bucket of sugar. I filled this up 1.5 years ago. Actually, a little more than 1.5 years ago. It's taken me that long to use this sugar. And, you know, a lot of it is used on projects like this, like the rock candy sugar that we're doing. Or the rock candy. I use a lot of sugar with the rock candy. Anyway, I used the last bit of it. So I went grocery shopping, and grocery shopping meaning my preps, and I bagged this bag of sugar July of last year. So I have had this, and I actually realized just now that this was the only bag of sugar that I have. But if it's lasting me 1.5 years, this is a 50-pound bag. So I think this is 25 pounds of sugar. Anyway, I'm going to pour it in here. All right, so this was bagged with no oxygen absorber, and it is beautiful. Look at the beautiful sugar. Smells so good.
Wait, Phil?
Yep. No.
Cameraman.
Camera woman.
So good.
All right, let's do this. Okay, Oakley, hold it.
It looks good.
It looks good. So there are 2 options here. One, I can just reseal this, just heat seal it. Since it doesn't take an oxygen absorber, it doesn't matter. I can just reheat seal it. It's mylar. You can reheat seal mylar with whatever. Or I can go get another 5-gallon bucket with gamma lid and just refill that one, and then that one would be the backup. But I'm probably just gonna reseal this. It's easier for me right now. But anyway, that is how you rotate stuff. I absolutely use mylar for short term and longer term. It just kind of depends. But this was bagged a little over 1 year ago, and we're using it now 1 year later. That is food rotation. That's as simple as it is. Now I'll be using this, and it should last me another 1.5 years or more. We don't go through a ton of sugar very fast.
Yeah.
Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Around with Rain today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Except we used a lot of sugar for these.
I decided to empty the sugar from the big one and divide it up into 3 smaller gallon and reheat seal them, and we are good to go to use whenever we need it.